If you're like me and want to be ready for whatever comes your way, you will be excited to learn about this AUXBEAM Portable Tire Inflator. It was sent to me by the company so that I could do an honest review of it. So with that, let's open the box and see what's inside. Here is everything that comes in the box. As you can see, we have the portable inflator right here, but before we take a closer look at that, let's talk about all of the other things that come with it. Starting right here with the user manual, you can tell that this is a color user manual, which makes it very easy to read. Next, up here, we have this power cord that plugs into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle and can be used to charge the portable inflator if the battery is low. Next, we have this USB to USB-C cable, and this cable actually has two purposes. First, it can be used to charge the inflator. You would plug the USB end into your power brick that you use to charge your smartphone, and then you would plug the USB-C end into the inflator and you can charge it that way. The other use for this cable is to use the inflator as a power bank. So let's say your smartphone needs a charge. You can plug this into the inflator, plug the USB-C end into your smartphone or whatever other portable device you might need to charge, and you can use this cable in that way. Next, we have all of these adapters, and you can see here we have this one to help inflate a football or soccer ball or basketball. We have this adapter right here, and this would fit over those small valve stems like you will see on some bicycles, so you can inflate those tires as well. And then these two right here can be used to inflate things such as swim floaties or air mattresses. Over here we have the air hose that attaches to the portable inflator, and we'll attach that in just a second. And then lastly, we have this nice cloth bag that we can put everything in. So if you bring this with you away from home, or leave it in the trunk of your car, you can keep everything together, so when you need it, everything you'll want will be right there with it. Now, the last thing we have is this fun decal that we got from the manufacturer. So let's take a look at the portable inflator itself. First thing we'll note is that it comes with this handy strap. Most portable inflators don't have a strap like this, so that's kind of nice. And to start the inflator up, all we do is push this button for a few seconds. We hold it down and everything powers up. And once it's powered up, we can see right now it is in the vehicle mode, and we're seeing that the default is 36 psi. And we can switch to different modes by pushing this button right here. And now you see we are on the motorcycle or moped mode, bicycle mode, and this is for balls, and then this is kind of your custom mode here. So as we go through the different modes, pay attention to the default pressure settings. It changes for each mode. So here we are in the auto mode, the motorcycle or moped, bicycle, ball, and then again the custom. All these default pressures in the various modes do is get you close to what you might be looking for. So, for example, with the car, if I want to go up or down, I just push this button and I can make the pressure go up, or I can make it go down to whatever I want. Now let's take a look at the light on top of the inflator. To turn it on, all we need to do is hold this button down for a few seconds, and the light will come on. If we push the button again, you'll see the light begins flashing, which is a nice feature because if you're on the side of the road or someplace where you need help, to have this light flashing like that, calling for help, is a really nice thing to have. And then to turn the light back to solid, I'll push the button one more time. And then to get it off, I push this button down and hold it for a few seconds, and the light goes off. And then, once again, this is where we would plug the power cord from the cigarette lighter. And then this is our USB and USB-C. So now let's attach this hose to the inflator. And as you can see, there are threads on the end of this, and we screw it right in here. So I will try and show you how it works. Hopefully you can see okay. And that's it. I've got it on nice and snug. So why don't we go outside now and test this out by inflating a car tire so you can see how it works. Hey guys, I'm Dan, and welcome to Dan's Review Lab. I test all kinds of products, so you don't have to. If you find something interesting in this video, check the description for my affiliate link. This means that I will earn a small commission if you buy something. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest reviews. I certainly appreciate it, and now let's get back to the review. Here we are outside, so let's turn on the portable inflator. And here everything powers up. It's on auto. I want it to be at 36 psi. And you just put this end on the valve stem and then push the lever down. And you can see it's at 31.7. So now let's start pumping up the tire and see how long it takes. And as you can see, once it got to the 36 psi that I wanted it to be at, it automatically shuts off. It didn't make all that much noise, and it actually inflated the tire pretty quickly. After using it for a while, in addition to its portability, some things I really appreciate about this inflator are its carrying strap, which makes it easy to carry when your hands are full, and its ability to be charged with its included power cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter. Not every portable inflator comes with one of these. Finally, I want to address the size of this AUXBEAM inflator. It's super compact, but at first glance it may not seem that way because of its width, which indeed is wider than some other models. However, what you need to know is that it is shorter than these narrower options you might have seen elsewhere, making it just as small as the competition. As you can see, this AUXBEAM portable inflator is loaded with great features. It comes with everything you need and is very easy to use. It's a great thing to have in your vehicle and is great to give as a gift. I highly recommend it. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.